What is conduct of an wise ruler? The conduct of wise ruler, that is very good thing. Analyze the analyze by two by one. The conduct of wise ruler for happiness is analyze two by one. Manage three by four. Conquer the five. Ad- adorn the six and give up the seven to live happy. It is this two. One is Viveka. Analyze Viveka into. So one is Viveka. Second, two is bad and good. Three, manage the three. What is the manage three? Friends, foe, and neutral. Friends, enemy, and the neutral person. You need to manage them. What are the four? Manage the three by four. What is the four? Shama, Dana, Veda, Dana. These are the four things you need to manage. And you need to conquer senses. Five senses. And six, you need to adore the six. What are the six? Six strategies to face enemies. And what are the six strategies to face enemies? That is a strict strategies he gave. And you need to give up this seven. What is to give up the seven? Lust for women, gambling, drinking, hunting, harsh words, harsh punishments, and wastage of resources. If you stop this seven, you can conduct as a wise ruler. So strict strategies we will see soon. So these are the things I said. So analyze two of one. What is two good and bad by one Viveka? Use your Viveka and see what is good, what is bad. Manage three by four. What is four things? Sama, Dana, Veda, Tanda. Four things you need to manage by three. What is the three? Friends, enemies, and your neutral position. Conquer five. Five is your five sense organs you should control. And adore the six, you should manage to understand the six strategies to face your enemies and give up the seven. Seven is what? In lust for woman, you need to give up. Gambling, you need to give up. Drinking, you need to give up. Hunting, you need to give up. Speaking harsh words, you need to give up. Giving harsh punishment, you need to give up. Wastage of resources, you need to give up. If you give up all these seven, you will be conducted as a wise ruler and wise leader and be happy.